Telegram has become an essential app for anyone who values speed, privacy, and reliable communication. If you're using an iPhone and want to learn how to download the Telegram app quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, from opening the App Store to launching the app, with no complications or wasted time. Let's get started. So first, find and open your App Store app. Once you're in the App Store, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a magnifying glass icon. Tap on it. Next, at the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Tap on it, then type in Telegram and start the search. When the app appears in the search results, you'll see the Telegram app. Tap on it. The results may vary slightly, but make sure to open the official Telegram app. This will take you to the app's page, where you can see more information, like the app description, user ratings, reviews, number of downloads, and screenshots showing how the app looks in use. Once you're there, tap the Get button to install the app. If you've downloaded the app before, you might see a cloud icon with a downward arrow. Tap it to reinstall Telegram. Once the download starts, wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. When it's done, the Open button will appear. Tap on it. That will take you straight into the Telegram app, where you can begin the setup process. And that's it for this video, my friends. If you're interested in more Telegram-related videos, be sure to check out my playlist linked in the video description. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, and thanks so much for watching.